Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send a test email in MailChimp. Open up the MailChimp. Click on Campaigns and go into All Campaigns. Scroll down the page and go View by Type. Tap on Emails. From any email, click to edit. Then click on Send a test email from your right side box. Tap to send test. Press OK to confirm. Now open up your Gmail. See if you receive a test template message. Click to open the test message. Scroll down to see the whole template. See who sent you this email. Open the MailChimp email edit. You can see the template here as well. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.